Keep your bans off our bodies.
Today, a national call for abortion rights was echoed from every corner of the U.S. Bans off our bodies is the new call to action for those supporting abortion rights and those fearing a post-Roe future without legal access to abortion. From Los Angeles to Washington, D.C., thousands marched and made plans for more rallies in the coming days and weeks, all while millions of women await the final decision from the Supreme Court on the future of abortion rights. Here in West Michigan, those same calls were heard here in this area. 13 on Your Side's Justin Bachman attended today's marches and spoke to both sides of the heated debate.
The message of the crowd in downtown Grand Rapids is clear. The only person who can dictate a woman's rights is that woman herself. It's echoed further down the lakeshore, and it's echoed all around the country.
Bothered, we're outraged, and the young people in particular, because that affects them the most.
Hours before the crowd gathered in Grand Rapids, women were marching in Muskegon.
My choice! My choice!
Pro-choice supporters say criminalizing abortion won't stop it from happening. It'll just make it more dangerous.
What we believe in is available, affordable, and accessible abortion to all communities within our state. So although some communities might be celebrating, some communities are really scared.
Anna Visser with Right to Life Michigan says her organization is cautiously optimistic following that leaked SCOTUS draft. They plan to fight in support of Michigan's 1931 law that would trigger if Roe is overturned.
We have filed a motion and we have filed briefs in both the Governor Whitmer's lawsuit and the Planned Parenthood lawsuit. And we hope that the court system, that the Supreme Court will see where we're coming from and see that there is no ripeness in these lawsuits and that they should be dismissed.
The person defending those lawsuits is Attorney General Dana Nessel. She spoke at the rally in Grand Rapids and says even if those lawsuits fail, there are other options for reproductive rights, like a ballot proposal for this coming election.
That would codify right into the Constitution the right for reproductive freedom, meaning birth control and abortion.
It would mean body autonomy. Right to Life also believes in body autonomy, but for the unborn. They say the fetus is its own life, separate from the mother.
They have their own heart, that they were made entirely separate from the moment of fertilization. And so we believe that, yes, while the woman is carrying this child inside of her body, it is not a part of her body. So therefore, her rights are not more important than anyone else's rights.
Attorney General Nessel's proposal would need 425,000 signatures, and she's confident that'll happen.
I've been engaged in politics for many years, and normally it's begging and pleading for people to become interested in your ballot proposal and then to sign it. And here you had a line of people who were waiting.
She says the leaked draft opinion has given people who would otherwise be on the fence an issue to rally around for the ballot box.
It's getting people engaged and energized. People are paying attention. And I think it means we're going to have a lot of new voters come to the voting booth in November.
The official Supreme Court decision on Roe v. Wade is expected later this summer. From Grand Rapids, I'm Justin Bachman, 13 on Your Side.